Originally, the association in its forensics events had only one category, declamation. Therefore, the number of students to reach the state final was identical to the number of districts, namely 8. However, the association soon replaced this one single category with the event of oratory for males and declamation for females, resulting in 16 students making it to the state finals. At this point, the association had a single ranking system for judging. This meant there was one winner in each category at each level who advanced to the next level of competition. By 1925, the number of events and districts resulted in 36 students being present at the state competition. It was in 1939 that the association changed its philosophy and its judging system and decided to award A's, B's, and C's at each level. Any participant receiving an A advanced to the next level. Therefore, in 1947, at the state level festival, there were a total of 399 participants. These participants were evaluated by 15 judges, 13 of them coming from the Department of Speech of the University of Wisconsin out of its Bascom Hall. In 1957, there were just over 1,000 student entrants in the state festival. In 1973, that number had grown to the 2,000 mark. And last year, over 4,500 student entrants advanced to the state level. In fact, the no-shows last year outnumber all finalists in the 1941 state festival. These large number of students are something the association has desired,